Welcome to RB Avionics Portfolio. Today, September 2025, we are going to show you the feature of the avionics. We build an open-source, public design, avionics. Our goal is to create a framework that can be used by everybody to design and develop new digital avionics. This framework can become the entry level for certified avionics recognized and approved by entities. In this demo, we are going to depict the many form factor available, starting from the round design, 80mm, 57mm, and smallest one, which is an AMOLED bright display. Continuing in rectangular form factor, you can have 6 inches, 7, 8, 10.1 inches. Panel installation can be landscape or portrait. The displays are bright and configurable. You can also remotely command the trim and other function using integrated remote joystick or keyboards. Each design allows to open side panels to display contextual information. In this configuration, you can have engine status and radio communication setup. All of the devices have an audio output to play warning messages and alarms. Even though all units are interconnected using wireless or wired connection, each RB component have an internal backup battery and backup sensor that integrates the main remote unit. We designed high-contrast user interface that fits the form factor. Let's talk about the product line that is composed by 6 different devices. We decided to give different naming to reflect the dedicated function. RB-01 is the all-in-one 3D synthetic view with sensor board integrated. RB-02 is the entry-level EFIS attitude indicator with many other functions, very useful as a backup instrument. RB-03 has the function to retrieve sensor data coming from external system, such as engine or attitude or traffic avoidance from ADS-B. The RB-03 requires a remote display such as RB-05, which is a remote display for traffic compatible with RB or Stratux devices. Latest product is Android powered and is a remote display that allows to combine navigation function such as Easy VFR and RB Avionics features like TCS traffic avoidance with a clear 3D synthetic view of the airspace and traffic nearby. You can load European offline maps or USA maps. RB Avionics also interconnects to remote radio. This will facilitate the navigation by setting the standby frequency, and as optional, you can replay latest received conversation. You can also connect the Autopilot to have a complete guidance integrated with your navigation software. In this demo, you can see how Easy VFR is passing your route to the RB Avionics, which is demanding the guidance to the Autopilot. RB Avionics is composed by a complete product line which covers all the aviation aspects considering data logging, attitude recorder, and engine monitoring system EMS.